Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my first ever beauty box subscription. But before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please keep on watching. Okay, so Avail Tree is the first subscription beauty box in Egypt. I think it just launched 2 months ago maybe. I'll be posting on the screen here some screenshots of their websites and some of the brands they actually deal with, like the brands you get in the beauty box. So yesterday I received my first box, so enough rambling and let's actually open the box. So it actually looks like this. It's a small box, not a huge one actually. This is their logo, and each month the box has a different design and colors. So this one is November's box and it looks like this from the inside. I think it's actually very cute. This year it is a Yellow Friday. I don't know what that means but the colors and the design is very cute. So this one is actually a booklet for what everyone got in the box this month, with the retail prices and everything, and it's actually really nice. And then we have vouchers for a catering service, again nice, and then some instruction for a competition called Miss AVTree. Some stickers here with the logo, and the actual products are wrapped inside this box with this type of cloth. It's really cute with this sticker with the logo on top. I really like this idea. So let's jump into what actually came in the box. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, which is awesome, I think. So the first item I have here is this cute nail polish from a brand called She Nail Enamel. I think this is reddish color. Haven't tried any of this, just unboxing it in front of you for the first time. Then I have this perfume sample from Versace. Nice packaging. Let's open her up. Oh, fancy. It's a Dylan Blue perfume sample. Looks like this. Let's actually smell it. Oops. Oh, it doesn't have a spray, so be careful. Yeah, it smells not bad actually. Nice. Next up from Arige, I have this Nourish Hydrating Hair Treatment. It's a sample size as well. I've heard about this one, but I haven't actually tried it. So it's a mixture of oils that hydrates the hair, and you can basically use it before washing your hair or on your dry hair to basically style it. Then we have this hand cream, I guess. Hand and body cream from an Egyptian brand called Gourmet. It looks like this. I'm actually not sure if this is a sample size or full size. Let's read more about it. So it's a gourmet hand and body cream's very rich formula. Provide your skin with a long-lasting effect of nourishing moisture. Infused with allantoin, panthenol, jojoba oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, aloe vera extract, and vitamin E, will pamper your skin without any greasy or sticky feeling. It will also leave your skin perfumed with the long-lasting gourmet fragrance of your choice. Pour an adequate amount into the palm of your hands, rub your hands together, and massage your skin until it's completely absorbed, and enjoy the softness. For best results, use frequently. Let's actually try and give it a go. So I actually can't really smell, so let's pour some in the palm, like they said. Oops. Okay. It has a nice smell actually, not bad. It It's very lightweight. Next up, I have this whitening cream from a brand called BioStream. Also haven't heard of it before. Looks like this. I think this is a full size. So it's basically a whitening cream for whitening, lightening, and unitone skin color. Underarm, bikini line, intimate zone, post laser. I'm actually not a fan of using this stuff, so I'll probably give it away. The last two items are actually makeup. So we have this sample size of the Pupa Vamp Extreme Mascara. I actually have the full size of this one. It's extremely mediocre and it gave my eyes irritation, and it's been sitting in my drawer. And this one is actually going to be sitting beside her big sister. So no, kidding aside, really I haven't liked this one at all, and it gave my eyes irritation and my eyes were swollen, and it was I have sensitive eyes, so it might work fine for you, but it didn't for me, so I'm gonna be giving away this one as well. And last but not least, I have this highlight and contour stick from a brand called Meheisenh or Meheisenh, I'm not sure. Looks like this. So one side is a highlight stick and the other is the contour stick, and it's in the shade 4 medium. So actually let's swatch the two colors. Yeah, it's actually very white, the highlight stick. Not sure if it's shimmery or white. I think it's a little bit shimmery, so maybe it's like for highlighting here, not like a concealer. And the contour stick, it's not bad actually. It's a little bit orange, maybe you can work as a bronzer. So this is how they look like. I don't know why it doesn't focus. This is the highlight shade and this is the contour shade. So that's it, you guys. I'm really excited to have subscribed in this subscription beauty box, and they actually brands they're dealing with are really good. There are some high-end brands as well, and it seems that we can get sometimes full-size products. I'm gonna link all their page and website in the description box down below if you want to take a look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you want me to make this a series of videos. Every month we do the unboxing of this subscription box. And also let me know if you have any of these products and if you have tried them or not. And that's it. I thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! We're gonna do some unboxing. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox my first ever beauty box subscription. Okay, so Avail Tree is the first a month. The box has a different different design, and it smells alcoholic. Doesn't have like a significant smell, but it's extremely mediocre, and this one is actually going to be sitting beside her big sister. Bye!